Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Crown Rig Auto. In this video, we're going to show you the everyday carry of a District 76 Police K9. This here is Officer Jax Chase. He is a 8-month-old Belgian Malinois. He specializes in sniffing out loyalists. He specializes in sniffing out drugs. He is what we like to call our little fur missile. So anytime I point out a loyalist or any of their sympathizers, he will launch at them like a missile and attack very explosively. Looks like he's a little tired right now. So we're gonna start from the front and work our way to the back. I can now remove this muzzle right here because there is no loyalists or their sympathizers. Right here, it is a 3-inch Ray Allen thick leather collar. This thing will withstand just about any weight. And right here we have a Ray Allen tactical icon harness here, which is widely used by the military. You guys are probably thinking, why does the dog have a radio? Chase listens to all the radio communications. So if he's actually at a distance, I can call him over. I can summon him simply by stating his name. And he also listens to commands over the radio. Are you gonna take a nap, boy? Oh, it's okay, you can lay down. It's a good boy. And right over here, he has a first aid kit. This is some shears, and this is actually a bullet wound kit. So if he were to get shot, I have all the essential tools to pull a bullet out and patch it all up. And right on this side right here, we have Chase's toy. Now this is what Chase works for. His reward is this toy right here. He will do anything for this toy. Here you go, Chase. You're a good boy. And like I said earlier, he's a drug sniffing dog, so we like to carry some narcotics testing. This is for methamphetamines, MDMA, those type of substance. And then we have a pair of leg iron shackles we like to carry around. We have some stickers here we pass out to the kids. Oh, and look, like I said, he's our fur missile. You see that? That's Chase right there. And then we have some water flavoring kits that I like to carry around. And then of course, he's got his Crown Rig Auto patch.
Right when we were recording, a stranger walked by and Chase completely lost it. Unfortunately, the audio was turned off during the filming, but as you can see here, he went ballistic. I'm not sure what his problem was, but it really surprised me.
So what does a typical K9 unit carry?
We have the most powerful tool, the radio. I carry a Taser X2. Those sounds do not scare him. Almost nothing scares Chase. He is a very good working dog. Right over here, I have Peerless handcuffs. I carry Sabre Red Crossfire mace. This is very powerful. You do not want to get hit with this. Some say they'd rather get shot than get sprayed with this thing. ID card light. This has a special UV light that lights up hidden features in an ID. And right over here, I have a Smith & Wesson 40 caliber handgun. It's holding right here. Go ahead and take a good look at it. Now I like to carry this one because it is small but powerful, and it is not heavy, and it's very accurate. I also like to carry a metal detector when I make stops. Sometimes I don't want to be reaching into their pockets looking for weapons and guns. Swipe them up and down. It's a pretty good thing to carry around. So yeah, I don't really like to carry too much. I like being more agile. So now it is time to put Officer Jax Chase to the test.
Attention all units, we have a possible loyalist barricaded into a platform. He is armed and dangerous. We need a K9 unit to deploy. Location is Northwest District 76.
Copy that, Control. I'm responding code 3.
What's going on?
They barricaded themselves in here.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Chase. Let's go. Let's go, Chase. Come on. Come on. District 76 police! Come up, put your hands up! I will send the K9. Go! Come on, Chase. Come on. All right, so they're not in there. It turned up empty. There he is!
We made contact.
Go! Shoot him! Nice double tap. Loyalist down.
Hey, Chase. Where's your coffee and your newspaper?
Te lo mandaron a ocupar a la chamaca.